Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, sorry, blinding everybody again. So just back to this lovely rear inner rocker and rear wheel well of this lovely Ford. Just to get a look as to where we're at now. So I'm gonna turn the light back on here. So you can see there was nothing here, so we got that all covered, that inside. So this is now creating a little bit of a structure. And then of course, the outer is still gone, but just give a little kind of update as to what we've done. So we've created the inner. So there's something now here that's solid and supporting the vehicle. And then of course, the outer is gonna go all in here. We're gonna shape that. So let's just have a look from inside. So again, you can see that goes right up to there. From here it's good, but from there back. So we had to create this inner, which was completely gone. That was completely gone as well. And just to go in a little further, as well, all of this has been done. There's nothing here. So that's where we had to create this inner piece all through there. So this is all solid here. This has all been replaced. As you can see, we had to do a little fandangling here. Then of course there. And then now we're gonna work towards the outer rocker, which, you know, you need something to weld to, of course. So that'll go up and around. But just to give you guys an idea of what happened here. So this was just, again, just paper templates with paper. A little messed up on the welds there, but because we couldn't sand it too good, but we still got it all done. So it's solid. The car could be lifted from here now without a problem, without anything crushing in. And let me move my butt back here up. So that's just a little bit of a kind of an idea of what had to be done before we can get to doing the outer here. So now that'll be cut and we're going to start fabricating from there and go down. All right, so again, you can see that this was, when you have no inner structure, that's a problem. All right, so anyways, we'll get back at this and then I'll get the camera going and then we'll start doing the templates for here and get this section welded in as well. All right, stay tuned. Again, hope you like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. See ya.